You get hurt in a car crash and suddenly everyone around you becomes a legal expert. Your neighbor says sue them, your uncle says settle fast, and your cousin who watched one law show in high school says you deserve $1 million. Here is the truth nobody tells you up front. An accident injury lawyer does not just yell in a courtroom like on television. They spend most of their time buried in paperwork, medical records, and phone calls with insurance companies who really do not want to pay you. Insurance companies are not your friend even though their commercials have cute geckos and catchy jingles. Their whole business model depends on paying you as little as possible, so having someone in your corner who knows the playbook actually matters. You might wonder if you can just handle it yourself and save money. Sure you can, but studies have shown injured people who hire a lawyer often end up with way more money in their pocket even after paying legal fees. Let's talk about how these lawyers usually get paid, because it surprises a lot of people. Most work on something called contingency, meaning you pay nothing up front and they only get paid if you win, usually taking a percentage like 33% of your settlement. Now, here's a question people ask a lot: can you get references from former clients? The honest answer is yes. A legitimate lawyer should be able to share testimonials, reviews, or even connect you with past clients who are willing to talk about their experience. But you have to be a little careful here too. Anyone can post a glowing 5-star review, so look for detailed stories that mention specific outcomes, communication style, and how the lawyer handled tough moments, not just vague praise. Think of it like buying a used car. You would not just trust the shiny paint job. You would check under the hood, ask for the history, and maybe even talk to someone who owned that exact model before. A good accident injury lawyer will also explain your case in plain words instead of drowning you in legal jargon. If someone starts talking in circles or refuses to answer simple questions, that is a red flag bigger than a stop sign. History actually gives us a fun twist here. Back in 1977, a Supreme Court case called Bates v. State Bar of Arizona made it legal for lawyers to advertise, which is exactly why you now see billboards with dramatic slogans and phone numbers that spell out words. Before that ruling, lawyers were not allowed to advertise at all, so injured people had a much harder time finding help. It sounds boring, but that one court case basically created the entire industry of personal injury commercials you see today. Doubt creeps in for a lot of people too, especially the fear that hiring a lawyer means starting a scary lawsuit. Most cases actually settle outside of court, often within 1 to 2 years, so it is less courtroom drama and more negotiation behind the scenes. Preparation is really the secret sauce here. Keep your medical records organized, take photos of everything, and write down what happened while it is still fresh, because memory fades faster than milk left out in July. People also assume more paperwork means a stronger case automatically. That is not exactly true. Quality matters more than quantity, so clear, consistent documentation beats a messy pile of receipts every single time. At the end of the day, choosing the right accident injury lawyer is part detective work and part gut feeling. Do you want to learn more about how to find the right one for your situation? Check out our links in the description below.